Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently I flew out of Leonardo da Vinci International Airport on our way back to Australia. The Rome International Airport is accessible via train, taxi, shuttle bus and rideshare. We got to the airport with an Uber, which was roughly a 30-minute drive. Once we entered the airport, we easily found digital screens to navigate our way to our check-in counter. I was pretty happy to see how quiet it was. Then it was straight through to airport security. Once we were through, we entered their duty-free area. We checked our flight status before walking through and having a browse. All the usual duty-free items were available, such as makeup, fragrances, and more. Then we followed the signs through to the restaurant area as we were quite hungry. The airport was very easy to navigate as there was plenty of signs around. We found quite a few places to eat, but we went to a cafe and ordered pizza and a coffee. The airport felt quite modern and well maintained. After that, we had a quick browse at some more of the airport shops before heading to our gate. To get to our gate, we needed to catch their internal airport train. The airport had all the usual facilities you would expect at a European airport, such as the smoking room, airport lounges, charging stations, free Wi-Fi, and more. Then, not too long after, it was finally time for us to board our flight. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience at Rome International Airport. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.